How does BeReal app work? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you can easily get this application in your Play Store or your Apple Store. Simply search for BeReal. This is the app you would be looking for, then install it. After the app is installed, simply open the application and then enter your verification for phone number for verification. After you have entered your phone number, a camera will appear and you just have to click a picture of your current situation. The front camera will automatically be turned on and simply share. The discovery option is for public and then the other option is for friends only. After you share that picture, you will get reactions from friends or people from different parts of the world, and you can be friends with them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.